If you're experiencing issues with voice chat not working in The Sims 4, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check game settings. Navigate to the game settings menu and ensure that voice chat is enabled. Look for the audio settings and confirm that the voice chat feature is turned on. Step 2. Verify audio device. Make sure your microphone and speakers are properly connected and selected as the default audio devices on your computer. Check your system's sound settings to confirm they are functioning correctly. Step 3. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause issues with voice chat. Go to your computer's device manager and check for updates for your audio drivers. Install any available updates and restart your computer. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus software can block voice chat functionality. Temporarily disable these programs to see if voice chat starts working, and if it does, add The Sims 4 to the exceptions list. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling The Sims 4. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the voice chat issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the voice chat issues in The Sims 4. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support for further assistance.